Recording it.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
And then we just cut it.
Ready? Go for it. Okay,
It
that
works.
Our project demonstrates Newton's 3 laws of motion in the following ways. Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. This is shown in our project by example of the toy car. It is set in motion at first by gravity, but then it stops because it hits the side of the ramp. Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration. In other words, force is the product of the mass and acceleration of an object. This is shown in our project by the example of the 2 marbles. The larger marble has a larger mass, therefore having a larger acceleration, causing it to push on the smaller marble with a larger force. Newton's third law of motion states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is shown in our project by the example of the toy car. After the car goes down the ramp, it slams into the other ramp. The force from the car puts on the ramp is equal to the force the ramp puts back on the car, which is why the car moves backward and the ramp jolts forward slightly.
The law of conservation of momentum is evident with the 2 marbles. When the big marble hits the smaller marble, the big one slows down and transfers some of its momentum into the smaller marble. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but altered from one form to another. This is evident with the dominoes. When one domino falls, it hits another domino and the energy is transferred.